What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today I'm going to teach you how to go back up a hill on roller skates. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about roller skating, so if you want to learn about roller skating, then go ahead and click that subscribe and hit that notification bell, because I put up new videos about roller skating every week. There are many ways to go up a hill on roller skates, and here are a few of them. So the first one is to go up by just walking up on your toe stops. And the way you're gonna do this is you're gonna go onto your toe stops, and when you go onto your toe stops, you're not just balancing on your toe stops, you're also using your front two wheels on each foot to balance you like a little tripod. And you're gonna bend your knees and you're just gonna walk up the hill like regular walking, or you can also go sideways if that makes you more comfortable. But to be honest, for me, I think it is way easier to just go up like this. So that is your first way of going up a hill on roller skates. The second way to go up a hill on roller skates is to go up and just go to your side and use the flat of your skate to walk up and go sideways like this. If you're doing this, you're really gonna wanna make sure to keep those knees bent, because you do wanna make sure to put the pressure and the weight into your wheels in order to actually be able to dig in and not just roll out and banana out of this. So it's really important to bend those knees. However, both of those ways are very time consuming, but this is, I think, the best way to go up a hill and the most effective, even though it is the most exhausting by far, but will get you up the fastest. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to skate up, but instead of skating up like this, we're gonna really exaggerate the kind of duck walk that we're doing. So we're gonna skate from side to side instead of skating straight up. In the same way that when you're swimming out of the ocean against the tide or against the current, you swim back and forth. When you're going up a hill on roller skates, you wanna skate back and forth. So you're really bending your knees and digging in and putting all your weight going one direction, and then using your other foot and you're digging your weight in and going that direction. It's like a really exaggerated stride. So what you're doing, and I sometimes use my toe stop to push off.
So I'm going into a skate position, but it's exaggerated. So I'm pushing off with one foot going one direction and then pushing with the other foot in the other direction,
instead of trying to go straight forward. And that's gonna get you up the hill the fastest. And also it's gonna take a lot of leg strength. So if you have to stop halfway up the hill, that's totally normal. Okay, I'm gonna give you one final way that you can go up a hill on skates. There are many ways outside of this list, but here are, I think, some of the best ways, and this is called the skateboard. And what you're doing is you're pretending like your roller skate is a skateboard. So you can either pretend like your right foot is a skateboard or your left foot is a skateboard, it doesn't matter. But the whole concept of this is one foot is your skateboard and the other foot is your pushing foot. And so you're using your toe stops and you're pushing yourself up the hill like this. Think of the song Kick Push, and it's the exact same motion. If you think of the song and you do it, then you'll totally kill it. So, kick, push, kick, push, kick, push. So you can do it with your right foot, where your left foot is the skateboard and your right foot is the push, or you could do it with your left foot, where your right foot is the skateboard, and then you push, kick, kick. I'm a skateboard. I'm a human skateboard. And that's one way you can get up a hill. Actually, that's 4 ways to get up a hill. So hopefully those helped you. And if they didn't help you, I don't know what to tell you, because that's literally how I get up hills on roller skates. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me if you have a different way of going up a hill that might help, or any tips and tricks. Go ahead and throw them into the comments. And if you want to support this channel, go ahead and head on over to www.cheersforthequeers.com, and you'll get some really cute stuff, and every purchase supports this channel. But most importantly, cheers to the queers!